in an AP, if d equal to 4, okay, d equal to 4, n equal to 7, an equal to 4, then find A3, okay. What is A3? A3 equal to A plus 2d, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That's the equation formula, okay. So here we know d is 4, but a actually find out from here, okay. So we know that n equal to 4, that is n is 7, that is a7 equal to 4, that is a plus 6d equal to 4. So a plus 6 into d is 6 into 4 equal to 4. A equal to 4 minus 24, that is minus 20. A equal to minus 20. Substituting here, minus 20 plus d into, sorry, 2 into d is 4. So that's equal to minus 20 plus 8. So A3 is minus 12. Okay. So here find the value of A3. A3 is minus 12. ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഡി എൻ എ എൻ ഇതിൽ നിന്നും എ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം A3യിൽ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക.